if you want some volatility, then the airlines are probably the stocks that you've been watching, because as you can see, and as I've been saying over the last few weeks, budget airlines have been on a downward spiral for quite some time, and it's not surprising given the way the world's governments have been treating them. Now, on the other side, you have British Airways and Iberia, which formed in 2011 a joint venture called International Airline Group, IAG. It's listed on the London Stock Exchange. Now, looking at today's figures, on the face of it, it looks like that's going in the same downward direction. It lost 6% over the course of the night. Market opening this morning declined by 6%, which is about 3-4 points. However, if you go back 6 months or a year, it's actually up. And the reason for that is quite simple. If you take a non-macro view and you look at it over a longer period of time, it's the flag carriers such as British Airways and Iberia that have been carrying the air traffic over the last year. It's the budget airlines that have been obeying the government's dictatorial mandates on restrictions of travel, and companies such as Jet2, Ryanair, EasyJet having paid the price for this because they're the ones who are cancelling their flights. British Airways and other flag carriers around the world have been the ones that have been carrying the air traffic, and there has still been some significant air traffic globally. So looking back over a 1-year period, you can see that the share price has actually gone up. Today's blip is just that, a blip. It's a downturn by a few points, but it's still much higher than it was 6 months ago. So perhaps the volatility is a dichotomy. You have the budget airlines who are struggling for survival, and the flag carriers which are actually mopping up the air travel, because those wanting to travel or needing to travel don't have a choice other than to pay the high prices to go on the flag carrying airlines. So there you go, an interesting divergence between the two sectors of the same industry.